So ladies and gentlemen, this video is to prove my point about how Samsung has been throttling the S21 Plus and my S22 when I'm trying to use Prism Live. Now, my frame rate keeps fluctuating up and down when it's supposed to be a consistent 30 FPS. It goes from 29 to sometimes 20. So in this video, you're going to see a lot of inconsistencies as we test this live stream on this, Android phone that was working previously before until a update about maybe like last year sometime. So take this video with a grain of salt. So I have everything fixed. It's not adapted. YouTube's apps are adapted. What they do is fluctuate bitrate. My bitrate is at 3500, right? Or 3000 for 1080p for 30 frames a second, or even 24 frames a second. But my frame rate keeps dipping up and down. Right now, it's at 23 frames right now. 24, 29, 30. Why? I have no idea. It has something to do with the phone and the phone's ability to function correctly. It's like the phone is telling this app that it can't maintain frame rate at this time. That's impossible, because if you can pre-record in the same frame rate, even at 60 or 8K, then what's the problem with the phone? It's apps. Apps are not getting full permission. So right now I'm just testing it, everyone, because it's been a while and I miss using this app to do my live streams, because my live streams are much crispier and much better this way when using this app and not the YouTube app, which I do not like. I'm going to be saying hi to everyone. And it seems like YouTube doesn't like third-party apps, even though YouTube gives these apps permission to be used. And mind you, when I do live streams with these apps, YouTube doesn't notify people when I'm using third-party apps. That is biased and that is not fair. Why are you giving permission to these developers then if you're not going to be being fair on the platform, YouTube? So keep that in mind, because this is a thing. Right now, I should have about 10 people in here. But I guarantee if I was using a live stream, the YouTube live stream app, I would have about 27 to 40 people in here. It has happened. I witnessed it myself, YouTube. You play favoritism with applications, especially third-party apps. And right now, you're not sharing notifications to those third-party apps to notify people that I'm live streaming on a third-party app like Prism Live. But you give permission and full permission access for, to live stream. I don't understand that, YouTube. If you're a partner with these third-party apps for this reason, then why are you not being fair to these developers when using these apps? And see, I see a lag. I see a lag, but you guys probably don't see a lag, but I see a lag. See, it's lagging this phone's ability to be smooth. So I'm just making a good example, going walking in a circle, everybody, because we came to Williamsburg. I should have done this video maybe on this live stream app, but then again, I wouldn't have got the views or the feedback that I got when using YouTube app. And I think YouTube needs to stop paying favoritism and let people use third-party apps to live stream, because you're not sitting right now. There's 5 minutes into this video and there's 0 people watching this. That's a problem that we have on YouTube. It tries to force you to use their app when the app is not that great. It doesn't give options or flexibility. Wow, no one is watching this video. Wow, thank you, YouTube. So I hope I'm going to mind you, the best thing about the Prism Live is that you can download your live stream if YouTube refuses to upload the live stream, because that has happened when using this app on these Android devices. Yes, it has happened, but it never had happened on the iPhone that I can recall, where the live stream gets lost. Ever since I've been using these Androids, a lot of videos and a lot of live streams have been lost because YouTube try to forces you to use their phone app and not third parties when they give approval to third party apps. So that's the problem I'm having. And right now, I should be recording my screen so that I can show you in real time. But I guarantee if I was using that YouTube app, people will literally flock in here right now. And as I said, it's not notifying people at all that I'm live streaming again. See? And that's the problem with, Prism Live, that you need to talk to YouTube about Prism Live. The Prism Live team, the developers, you need to talk to YouTube about that. This has been a constant thing. Now it's keeping steady at 30 frames a second. I wonder why. But I'm just showing you how better using the Prism Live app, when it works, it's much better for live streams. It's a much sharper image because you're controlling your bit rate. It's never, up and down like your YouTube app, like it adapts based on the strength of your self. No, it stays the same. This is why I don't like the YouTube app. It doesn't give me all the features. And mind you, you got other features on this app, like you can put a teleprompter bar across the screen, which is cool, which I have done many, many times. And I'm just using my cell phone service. So keep that in mind. If this video does not get uploaded to live stream, mind you, I am live streaming right now. If YouTube refuses to upload this live stream, just upload it. Like, I just download it and upload it so you guys can see real time why YouTube is blocking features in apps and not giving me airtime. This is why I don't get subs, because it forces you to use the stupid YouTube app. And yes, YouTube, your app is stupid. You don't give me, the videographer, control over my device. You don't give me video controls like bit rate, frame rate, exposure value. No? I'm sorry, but that's very poor decision making, in my opinion. Thought this guy was still on the bike. I was about to say, hey, what are you doing, friend? But as we walk for 10 minutes, still no one showed up in this live stream. And mind you, I should be live right now. Yeah, let's see if I'm live. Nope. Doesn't say I'm live. You see? You see? Guys, I've been live streaming for 10 minutes and 30 seconds, like YouTube. Are you kidding me? Using the third-party app, you refuse? Oh, wow. See that, everybody? I'm not even live. So I'm going to exit out the app, close the app just to be certain, and just to be sure. See? I'm not live. So YouTube, mind you everyone, I thought I was live this whole entire time, and I'm not. Look. I'm not. That's bullshit, YouTube. So now I have to end this live stream. I want to make sure I download it too. Yeah, we got